Safety mode on X, formerly Twitter, helps you limit unwanted interactions like offensive replies, spam, or harassment. When it's on, X automatically blocks or mutes accounts that use harmful languages or send abusive content text, making experience safer and more positive. Here's how you can turn on safety mode. First, go ahead, open your X application, log into your specific account, then tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen and go to Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now access the safety mode. Tap on Privacy and Safety, that is between monetization and notifications. Then tap on Safety. Now go through all these options over here under your X activity and data sharing and personalization, and go ahead and switch the safety mode on, or just adjust other settings in this page. You might see a screen explaining the feature and how it works, and you can set safety mode to last for 7 days, and after 7 days you can turn it on again if you still need it. With safety mode on, X will automatically block or mute accounts sending harmful or abusive content when it's enabled. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.